So today I'll be showing you how to edit a PDF document on your MacBook Neo without installing anything or without installing a PDF editor. Most of those third-party PDF editors are not exactly good. So what you need to do is simply go to your favorite browser. Okay, so you can go either to Chrome or Safari, and then you want to go to your Google Drive account. So go to drive.google.com and sign into your Google Drive account. Now, inside Google Drive, you want to go ahead and click on New, File Upload, and then select your PDF document. So choose where it is. Mine is in the Downloads folder, so I'm just going to go and find it, select it, and then click on Upload. With the document uploaded, find it in your Google Drive, double click on it. It's going to open inside Google Drive, and then you can select Open with Google Docs. Now when it's open in Google Docs, you can edit that PDF. So you can see it's now editable. You can delete stuff, you can add stuff and whatnot. And then once you're done, you need to export it back into a PDF document because now it's been converted into a Google Docs document. So once you finish editing, go back to File and then select Download and then select PDF document. And then now you can export it as a PDF document and save it on your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.